What you see I have in my hand, it looks exactly like a power supply to charge your phone.
Because that's what it is.
USB, and that's what it is. But size don't fool you. How about if I say that right over here, you didn't even see it, there is a hidden camera.
There's a hidden camera, very tiny there.
Yes, in 1080, right, Melina?
Correct. 1080 high definition. And you know what? That's motion detection.
Right. It can fool anyone, even myself. Let's begin now. How you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and behind the camera we have Melina. Now, today we have power supply. You can charge anything that requires USB power, your phone, but this one is a naturally camera. So right over here, you can even see it right there, the little dot. That's a camera right there.
Billy Mays there.
Yes. Now, plug it in 110. You see that little door right there? You remove it and you put in a micro SD card right there.
Yes.
That's nice, right?
So can you actually use it to charge your phone?
Yes, we're going to try
my
that.
gosh,
Yeah,
that's
see, I show you the voltage.
You know
you
what?
can try
That's
that.
awesome for when you go on vacation, like in the hotel room.
Right. That
Yeah,
will be,
I mean, seriously. I mean, nowadays you leave your computer, your stuff there. You need to make sure everything is all right.
and right over here we have the light. It's a little tiny light, and this one is the reset. If you need to delete the information or delete to start synchronize it back again, so you press right over here and delete. Now what we get drivers. I don't think you have to. You don't need the drivers as for the PC. And to read, you take the micro SD card, put it right over here, and you can plug it right in your computer, your PC, your Mac, and you'll be able to play whatever it is right there. Or you can record it on your phone. So besides that, we get the full manual with the instruction how to do it. Now, the first thing you need to do, either iOS devices or Android devices, you need to grab your RQ code, read it, and you download the application. Now, let's plug this thing in. So we're going to plug it in. Let me see the light so I can show you. Let's check here. Now, we plug it in the power and to show you that. And let's see if we can see the light. There's a little tiny light. We'll be right to here, but there's a little tiny light there. We can plug it into the side. And I show you, we got the 5 volts to charge your phone. So you plug it in, charge your phone at the same time. This will record, and it has a motion detector. Now, pretty simple with this. We got the application right over here. Then you're going to scan it and download it through either Google Play or Apple Store. So that's the application. What we need to do is press the plus right there. Now, make sure you shut down your VPN if you have VPN, and shut down the data, and make sure you are on a 2.4 gigahertz. So we're going to set up the camera Wi-Fi connection. We're going to click right over here, right here, to show you that we need to look the camera. They show you example right there, and we need to look it through XX. So we put OK, and it's going to scan now. You see that's my network. So we're going to wait. It takes a little time. It's going to show up over here. All right, so you need to wait about a minute until it shows up. We see right there CM SED, and it depends on the camera, it will show you a different number, but it's a long number like a MAC address look like. So we click right there. Now you're going to lose your internet access. What you do, you're going to locally connect straight to here. So we are connect, no internet. So we need to exit and go back into the application. See, now we are into the application. We put OK, and automatically loads up over here. Now, very important, at this point, we need to set the network. So let me see, as I show you right there, we click on it. And it shows automatic 2.4, and that's my network. That's the name of my network. Here, you're going to type the password of your network. So right there, we tap the password. We wait. See, this is configuring. Please wait. Takes about, yes, it's 162 seconds. So when it's done, we're going to click save. At this point, I got a message saying it's already configured, but we still got to wait another 30 seconds. And when we're done, we're going to click save when we finish. And here it says finish, right? So it's done. It takes, say, about 2 minutes. So we click save. And now the camera is rebooting. And what the camera is doing now is automatically log into the network. It knows the password, so it can log into the router. Finally online, talk about another minute. So we click right there. We need to change the password. So remember, the default password is 38. So we're going to change to a different password. We're going to call it hello. And you have to change the password. It won't allow you to do it without not changing it. We put OK, and the camera is in. It says online. So now if I click, now when the camera is set up, it's working out perfect. The way you want to do it is set up the time when you want the camera on. You don't want this to be recording all the time. So automatic, it starts recording when it's a motion detection, and only to say records during the morning. And the only time you really need to review the camera is when you know something went wrong. So pull the memory out, put it right over here, and put it right on your computer, and then display. And you got the pictures and the video like any other regular video. That's a nice thing. Now, if you want to record when you get a message and let you know there's something to activate the camera, then you go into the application and you can record as well in your phone. But remember, always it will be a copy, or the original copy will be right there in the camera, or right on the power supply or transformer, whatever you want to call it. So what do you think, Melina?
I think it's awesome, and actually I think everybody should have it every time you go on vacation. When you have the computer and the phone and everything, you live in your room.
Yeah, because those
safety first.
Normally in the hotel rooms, the plugs are normally up high, so you can record. Like if you have it right at the bottom, it will make sense. Yeah, those are the ones that are up high, and in motels that will be perfect. Hotels, make sure they don't go anywhere peek and this stuff.
You know what? It doesn't take up any room, and you can also use it to charge your phone, as you said at the beginning.
That's perfect.
So that's the main use, right?
Yes. So all right, Melina. So how we can get more information on this camera, spy camera?
All you have to do is click the link below.
Thank you. Bye.